Ever plugged in your phone and it takes forever to charge? Let's break down how fast charging really works in simple terms. Fast charging is not just a feature, it's smart tech managing power and heat to charge your device faster and safely. It all starts with the charger. Standard chargers push 5 watts, fast chargers go up to 20, 30, even 100 watts. But it's not just about speed, it's about communication. Fast charging uses protocols to talk between your phone and charger. When you plug in, your phone and charger agree on how much power can safely flow. This handshake keeps things from overheating. With fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in 20 to 30 minutes, way faster than traditional chargers. There are multiple fast charging standards: USB power delivery, quick charge, VOOC, each with its own rules and speed limits. Why doesn't your phone fast charge all the way to 100%? To protect your battery, fast charging slows down after around 80%. Want to make the most of fast charging? Use the original cable, the right adapter, avoid using the phone while charging, and keep it cool. Myth: fast charging kills your battery. Truth: modern phones are built to handle it. Just avoid cheap, unverified accessories. Fast charging is one of the most underrated tech features, simple, powerful, and a real-time saver. Like smart tech made simple, subscribe to Rapid Tech Bites for more quick breakdowns that power your digital life.